In this video, I'm gonna break down 3 DJ techniques Zedd does when he DJs, with the third one being his most controversial.
Show me why you deserve to have it all.
Before we go to that specific trick though, let's first learn how Zedd easily mixes to any genre and any BPM. So this transition is called the breakdown transition, and it works by simply fading or echoing out the previous song away during its breakdown section, then playing the next song in. Another way Zedd shifts through genres and BPMs is by doing vinyl break transitions. This is a pretty simple technique because all you have to do besides set up your DJ settings is just stop the track, then play the next song in.
This is how we do it.
Now there are 2 important keys that ensure that you nail these DJ transitions live. First is the timing of when you play your next song in, and second is your next song. So it's ideal to follow the momentum of your previous song and to trigger your next song in from its most recognizable section.
This is the claw breaker. 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 Oh yeah.
Now let's move on to explaining Zedd's best transition yet.
Room star, show me why you deserve to have it all.
Now before I break down this trick, if you guys want to ensure that you nail all these DJ tricks live in your DJ sets, you guys gotta check out Young Guru's online class on how to DJ from setup to sound check. There he teaches you a bunch of things, like how to set up your equipment, how to make sure everything sounds right, and just how to have an overall better and smoother time DJing live. So if you want to check out that DJing live masterclass and a whole lot more, the first 1,000 people who use the link down below will receive a 1-month free trial to Skillshare Premium. And Skillshare is an online learning community that offers membership with meaning. With over 20,000 classes in graphic design, music production, songwriting, and more, you're pretty much set for life if you want to learn anything new, efficiently, effectively, and economically, because Skillshare is super affordable. So make 2021 a year where you explore new skills, deepen existing passions, get lost in creativity with Skillshare's online classes. Now let's move on to breaking down Zedd's most impressive DJ transition yet. So what makes this transition cool is how Zedd uses the loop function and tempo fader to blend 2 tracks together and hype up the crowd at the same time. And doing this trick is actually quite simple when you've activated sync, which is why this trick is controversial, and properly prepared your software and tracks. So here's my recreation of his routine, which I learned how to do by DIODE Perfect.
We're gonna skate to one song only.
Stop and show me why you deserve to have it all.
So the first thing we have to do is prepare our tracks and software. So let's get started by loading the Kanye West song to deck 1 and the Harlem Shake song to deck 2. Next, make sure master tempo and quantize are deactivated on both decks and your tempo range is set to wide. Then set the Kanye West song as a master deck and press beat sync on both decks. And what this enables is this. Now on your Harlem Shake song on deck 2, make a 1/8 loop at this section over here and cue the track up from that point. Next, set your echo effects rate to 1/4, activated on deck 1, and bring its level/depth knob all the way to the left. Then finally make sure deck 1's volume is up and deck 2's volume is down. So the first thing we have to do is play the Kanye West song and wait till we reach a section over here right before Kanye says all.
We're gonna skate to one song only.
Stop and show me why you deserve to have it.
Once you reach that section, make a manual 1-beat loop on deck 1 by pressing the in and out buttons over here.
Show me why you deserve to have it.
Then press the out button once more to adjust the loop and slowly turn deck 1's jog wheel counterclockwise till the loop gets really tight like this. And at the same time, turn your echo effects level/depth knob clockwise.
And show me why you deserve to have it.
Then once you reach that loop's pace, trigger and play Harlem Shake from its 1/8 loop section. Then bring deck 1's tempo fader up and down to show to the audience that something is about to happen. Then slowly bring deck 1's tempo fader up to slow down the loop, and at the same time, bring deck 2's volume fader up. Once you're at a really slow BPM pace, slowly bring deck 1's tempo fader back to the neutral position while also bringing deck 1's volume fader down at the same time. Then once deck 1's tempo fader is back to its neutral position, release the loop on Harlem Shake. And those are my favorite Zedd transition techniques. Now let's quickly move on to how Zedd spices up his tracks and build-ups with his 3 accenting techniques. So the first way he does so is by using the filter effect. The crush sound color effects, and the signature echo effect accent trick, which you can learn how to do over here. And those are my favorite Zedd transition techniques. Now before we end this video, let me first show you guys how to set up your vinyl break settings on Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ. So to get that setting on Serato, from the settings menu, go to DJ Preferences, locate Breaking, and bring the stop time knob to the 9 o'clock position. And on Rekordbox DJ, from the settings menu, go to the controller tab, locate vinyl speed adjust, and bring the touch/break knobs of decks 1, 3, and 2, 4 to the 1 o'clock position. And that's it. Who should they break down next? Let me know down below and also include a thunder emoji in your comment. And with that said, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you all in the next one.